So I run a group called the Ballyronan Blue Tits, and I personally have a really just a really strong connection, particularly to Loch Ness. I started cold water swimming because I was in a lot of pain, daily pain, chronic pain really, that I'd had for a number of years. And I really hadn't been living for a number of years, I'd just been existing. And I had read somewhere that cold water was good for lowering inflammation in the body and helping with chronic pain. And at that time I was practically rattling when I walked because there wasn't that much medication. So I just thought, I'm going to give this a go. You know, I've got nothing to lose, and I did. Actually 4 years ago yesterday was my first cold water dip. Within, after the first dip I felt amazing. Within a matter of weeks I was much more mobile than I had been in a long time. My mental health was a lot better, and really at that stage I just wanted to share it because I knew there were so many people out there that were in the same boat as me, and I just wanted to scream it from the rooftops. I found something that helps. Had a really poor summer here with our water quality in Loch Ness. We've had one of the worst blue-green algal blooms that we've seen in years and years and years. We've always known that it wasn't spring water. My group swims here maybe 3-4 times a week. I would be in it 4 or 5, maybe 6 times a week. So I've always known it wasn't spring water, but I couldn't see it. So you kind of convince yourself it's okay. But this summer it really came to head, and from early June I started noticing little fine little flecks in the water, and within weeks those fine little flecks had become just massive blooms of algae that stank. They were inches thick on the shore, and it was just a really worrying time for everybody. So nobody was swimming. We were all out of the water. My group is very much a community group, so there's a lot of very strong friendships and support within that, and we were really very displaced because of it. For me, when I can't get into the water, it's taken away a big massive coping mechanism for me. So when I'm sore, the first thing that I think of doing, when I'm in pain, the first thing that comes to my head is I've got to go and get in the water. Now of course I can go and I can get into the sea, but this is the closest place I can swim is Loch Ness, and even at that it's 20 miles away from home. So my coping mechanism is gone, and it leaves me then that my mental health suffers. I have days where I just can't get out of bed. My physical health suffers because my pain is a lot worse when I can't access cold water, and of course then I'm missing also the support from my community of the swimming group that I have.